In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uTorrent file with more seeds. Before we start, a quick reminder to use torrents responsibly. Only download and share content you have the right to use, and always follow your local laws and the terms of your internet provider. With that in mind, let's focus on finding files that have plenty of seeds, which typically means faster and more reliable downloads. Begin by opening the uTorrent application on your computer. Give it a moment to load the main window. You'll see a sidebar on the left and a larger list area on the right. In the sidebar, click the Torrents section. This view shows the torrent list where you can compare availability at a glance. If your window is small, maximize it so you can see all the columns clearly. Now, look across the header row in the main list for the column labeled Seeds or Seeds/Peers. Seeds are users who already have the complete file and are sharing it. Peers are users who are still downloading and often sharing parts of the file. Generally, the more seeds, the healthier the swarm and the better your chances of getting consistent speed. To quickly surface the best options, click the Seeds or Seeds/Peers column header to sort the list. Click it again if needed until you see the highest numbers near the top. Many clients show a small arrow indicating ascending or descending order. Once your list is sorted, select the torrent with the highest seed count by clicking it. You're not starting a download yet, you're just highlighting it so you can evaluate it. When it's selected, look at the details pane at the bottom of uTorrent. Here you can review helpful information such as the total size, the number of connected seeds and peers, availability or health indicators, and your current connection status. This context helps confirm that the file is actively shared and not a dead torrent. A few quick tips as you review. Favor torrents with significantly more seeds than peers for the best stability. Be cautious of items with 0 or very low seeds, and stick to trustworthy sources to reduce the risk of corrupted or unwanted files. If you see steady availability and a healthy seeds to peers ratio, that's usually a good sign. And that's it. Open uTorrent, go to the torrents list, sort by seeds or seeds, peers to bring the most seeded files to the top, click the one with the highest seed count, and review the details to confirm it's a solid choice. Use this approach each time you're comparing options to save time and improve reliability.